Hey, you got Mark here at Kalleco's Thursday 3. We're talking about a paver, a plant, and a product. The paver for this week is full color, natural cleft Bluestone. What we stock at the nursery is 1.5 inches thick, and it ranges from sizes from 18 inches by 12 inches. That would be this stone here. Comes in, when we say full color, you'll get grays, blues, some purple, as well as some different rust and brown, some of the natural iron ore in the ground, which is pretty sweet. We use this in our landscapes all the time. We try to keep as much of this stocked up to sizes to 24 by 36. So I have a bunch of different sizes to choose from, and we try to keep it here throughout the year. Our plant are roses. We have one of my favorite that we started bringing in is a knockout rose on a high graft, really unique for a patio setting or an accent planting in the landscape, and it works great, planted up, and then under planting underneath, we use that landscape technique often. It's a great plant. The drift series we have is a phenomenal plant for like a low ground cover that has full sun. It's a real winner in my book. That it has low insect and disease issues. It looks good all year long. This series will bloom almost all the way through the fall. It's carefree, meaning that you don't need to do much with it. Some of the feedback we've got from our customers and our staff is that when you plant this, it has the beach feel. So if you haven't got to the beach and you want to bring it to your house, we have plenty of these at the nursery. Our product are birdhouses. Our staff and I, we picked out a bunch of unique birdhouses. We have some really cute, unique style birdhouses, all the way to a classic. That we have these from different size ranges as well as price ranges. We're excited to offer these to you. So there's our Thursday 3. We hope this helps you out. Have a great day.